Hi there, I'm Prashant and hope you're doing great. So today let's learn how to run a Python program in the cloud. So the main purpose of running Python code in the cloud is, so let's say you have created a project called Automatic Birthday Wisher, which sends the email to the recipients on their birthday. So as a developer, it would be hectic to run a code on daily basis. So to make it handy, let's see about a platform called Python Anywhere, where you can run a Python program on daily or hourly basis. So let's head on to Python Anywhere. Hope you are having a wonderful day. So here we go. We are at pythonanywhere.com. So you need to log in. So I am logging in with my credentials. So this is the user interface of Python Anywhere. So to automate the Python tasks, to run Python on daily basis, you need to click on files. You need to upload all the files related to the project. Like I have made a project called Automatic Birthday Wisher, where I have uploaded all the files related to that wisher, like excel file. So once after uploading all the files, you need to go to, so once after importing all the files, we'll go to consoles and we'll create a bash directory. So once after creating a bash directory, once we get the $sign, let's see, python3 main.py. If I'll run this, my python3 main.py file would be executed, and see, I got a mail regarding the events. I got a mail. So this is the command I have to execute. So I'll be going back and I'll be going to tasks. So I'll be giving the time 2:30 UTC, python 3 main.py. I have created a task.